When terms are just mentioned with a semicolon, it is called a row. As terme met 'n kommapunt geskryf word, noem ons dit 'n ry. Soos 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. When terms are added or subtracted, we call it a series. As terme opgetel of afgetrek word, noem ons dit 'n reeks. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus. Right. So, now for a series, vir 'n reeks, het ons twee formulas. Two formulas. The sum of n terms is n over 2a plus l. That means last term is known. Dit beteken die laaste term is bekend. So dis belangrik, dit is die een formule. Dan kry ons die volgende formule, waar die laaste term onbekend is. So the last term is unknown, onbekend. So therefore the last term is a plus n minus 1d. Then we substitute into the last term, we substitute a plus n minus 1d. So then we have the next formula. The next formula, the sum of n terms is n over 2 a plus n minus 1d. That is now with the substitution. So the formula then is Sn is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is then the second formula. So the two formulas is Sn is equal to n over 2 a plus l, or Sn is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1d.